Hi, IITs have now become one of the most sought after colleges for MBA as well. I mean, it was obviously for engineering. Now, IIT, some of the IITs are doing really well. So, after the IIMs, IITs are coming into force and they're getting decent placements. One reason they're getting good placements is because they're able to attract good students because of lower fees. And because they're able to attract good students, automatically the placements tends to be better because companies look at good students and therefore. So let's look at some of the packages. I mean, the best obviously is SJ Som ID Bombay. Average CTC is 28 lakhs with a median of 26.73. They had a highest of 72 lakhs package. But yes, we normally when you look at this average and maybe median. Median is the middlemost person who gets. I mean, if you arrange all the data in ascending order, the middle person who gets is the median salary. Average is all the because there is a very higher salary. The average tends to get skewed towards more than the median. Okay, but yes, so as this sum is supposed to be better. If you look at IIT Delhi or IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi is next with 25.82 lakhs average package. So after IIT Bombay, the next best is IIT Delhi in terms of MBA college. And then comes IIT Kharagpur. So these three are supposed to be good with an average package of more than 20. Post that, even IIT Roorkee and IIT Kanpur have a decent average package of 18 plus. IIT Madras has almost 17. So if you look at these six colleges are supposed to be worth applying. If you're looking at a good MBA colleges for an IIT, so these six colleges are supposed to be worth applying. And then you have the other IITs which are there. IIT Jodhpur is 11.77 lakhs average package. Others, but yeah, these are the colleges that you need to look for when you're applying for MBA courses. So yes, the criteria of some of the IITs have changed. Initially, they used to only take engineers. Now they also take non-engineers, which are there. So that is a little bit of advantage. Also, for students belong to a reserve category, IIT also is a good advantage because few colleges where reservations are there, you can apply to these colleges, right? So I hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to making decisions regarding which college to apply and how to go about it. Thank you.